Something new is coming from DJI and it's got everyone talking. The DJI Mini 5 Pro has just been teased, and even though the full picture isn't clear yet, the drone world is already buzzing with excitement. In a short clip shared online, we see a mountain biker with the Mini 5 Pro resting beside him. The drone looks sleek, compact, and powerful. Its folding propellers and vented motors hint at major performance upgrades. This isn't just a refresh of the Mini 4 Pro, it could be a whole new experience. And here's the real surprise. Trusted insiders say the release is just around the corner. August 7th, 2025 might be the big day. That's earlier than anyone expected. Whether it's the design, the improved camera system, or the longer battery life, the Mini 5 Pro looks like it's ready to shake things up. Stay with us as we explore every exciting detail here on Factic. Let's get into what could make the DJI Mini 5 Pro a real turning point for lightweight drones. Starting with the design, it looks more refined and purpose-built. In the teaser, there are no oversized guards or unnecessary bulk. Instead, we get a slim and clean design with folding propellers and new motors that include visible vents. This suggests better cooling and possibly stronger performance under demanding conditions. One of the most talked about features is the expected 1-inch image sensor. That's a big upgrade over the previous models in the Mini line. A sensor of this size brings serious improvements to low-light performance and overall image quality. Sharper details, more dynamic range, and cleaner footage are all on the table. The gimbal looks redesigned too. It's larger and more open, lacking the protective side flaps seen in previous models. This design choice likely allows for full 360-degree gimbal rotation, opening up a whole new world of cinematic movement. The gimbal's freedom means more fluid and dynamic shots, especially for users who want that professional edge in their aerial footage. You could pull off sweeping pans, unique angle transitions, and creative tracking shots that just weren't possible on previous Minis. It's a huge win for creators who need flexibility and control in such a compact form. Now, on the sensing side, DJI appears to be adding an upgraded 3D infrared obstacle avoidance system. This includes a front-facing LR sensor, rumored to detect objects up to 25 meters away with a 60-degree field of view. This system has been optimized for low light and is likely borrowed from the Mavic 4 and Air 3's models. Also worth noting are the larger sensor bulges on the drone body, which likely house the updated detection system. Under the surface, DJI seems to be boosting the core hardware. We're talking more powerful motors with improved ventilation, giving better lift, higher stability, and improved wind resistance. The drone will also feature quick-release propellers, finally eliminating those tiny screws. This makes maintenance easier and faster. Even with all of these upgrades, the Mini 5 Pro remains foldable and under 250 grams, keeping it in the lightweight category. As for internal storage, DJI is stepping up with 32 GB of built-in memory. It's a small but smart addition, perfect for those moments when you forget your micro SD card. Now on to battery life. According to certification leaks, the Mini 5 Pro is expected to use a 4,780 mAh battery rated at 33.5 watt-hours. This is a huge jump from previous models. Early reports suggest up to 45 minutes of standard flight time and over 50 minutes with an extended battery if released. That's a serious leap from the 34-minute base time on the Mini 4 Pro. Connectivity and control options are also getting an upgrade. The drone will feature the O4 transmission system, providing up to 20 km of range, matching the best in DJI's current lineup. Compatibility is expected with the RC2 controller, RCN3, the motion controller, and DJI Goggles 3 or N3 for FPV fans. However, one rumored controller, the RC track, might not make it to launch. On the feature front, there's buzz about voice command support inspired by the DJI Neo and in-app audio recording for creators who want to narrate live. There's also mention of a new flight mode button, possibly allowing users to launch preset shots without needing a controller. That's ideal for solo creators or vloggers on the go. With all of these new tools and upgrades, DJI isn't just refining a product, they're expanding what a mini drone can be. The Mini 5 Pro isn't just for hobbyists anymore. It's shaping up to be a real tool for filmmakers, content creators, and anyone who wants professional-level footage from a pocket-sized drone. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is looking like the most exciting mini drone release we've seen in years. With its expected 1-inch sensor, upgraded gimbal design, longer battery life, and smarter obstacle avoidance system, It's not just an upgrade, it's a whole new level. DJI is taking all the things people loved about the Mini series and pushing them further than ever before. This isn't just about flying a small drone, it's about having a powerful creative tool that fits in your hand. And even with all these big changes, the drone is still expected to stay under 250 grams. That's impressive. It means you still get all the freedom and convenience of flying without heavy restrictions, but now with the kind of tech you'd find in a much larger drone. As we wait for the official release, one thing's clear. The Mini 5 Pro could be the start of something big for content creators everywhere. So, what will you create with it? Let us know in the comments and make sure to stay tuned to Factic for all the latest updates.